guys, Ryan actually back from another Pokemon unboxing today. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of our Sun and Moon Unbroken Bonds booster box. And we have, last time we opened 12, and now we are going to open another 12. You guys can stay there. Oh yeah, and my dad actually figured out how to do this. Thank you, Dad. So now we're going to put this over. Alright, so we have 12 packs. We're going to start off with the Charizard. And let's go. And if you haven't seen the previous one, then I recommend doing that because we got some pretty good pulls. And I use all the code cards, by the way, guys. Ooh, yes, we got a white and green. Alright, then. On our first one, guys. That's great. So we got a Grass Energy, Eradicate, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Samson Oak, Seal, Bellsprout, Ghastly, Carvana, Togepi. Ooh, a nice reverse Butterfree. Oh my god! Oh my god! Rainbow Rare, Gardevoir and Sylveon GX tag team. Oh my god. It feels so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. From the first pack we get a Rainbow Rare. What are the chances of that? I mean, I'm pretty sure you are like guaranteed a Rainbow Rare per booster box, so yeah. I don't know if we'll get another one, but if we do, then that will be even more insane. Alright then. Alright, so you got a solid green code right there. Alright then. So we have a Steel type Energy, Frogadier, Beastbringer, Power Plant, Darumaka, Caterpie, Cottony, ooh, Ekans, Carvana, the TV remote just fell off the couch. Ooh, that's a nice reverse Bellsprout, and then a Lick-a-Lily, regular rare. Cool. We got another solid green card. 3, 4. Water Energy. Molayne. Giovanni's Exile. Duskstone. Grubbin. Ghastly. Gligar. Spritzy. Doduo. Ooh, a nice Poliwhirl reverse. And then a Wigglytuff regular rare. Oh, hey guys, you think we could get another one of these? Probably not, but you know.
One can dream.
One can dream. Solid green, code 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy, Stealthy Hood, Chatot, Electromagnetic Radar, Meowth, Geodude, Porygon, Froakie, Aeron. Ooh, that is a nice Spiritomb. I don't know what that's called. And then a Sharpedo, regular rare. We're back at the Charizard packs. Do you think we can get another Rainbow Rare? Probably not, but you know, it's always worth a hope. And that's a solid green card, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, or Fire Energy. Golbat, Tentacruel, Pokegear 3.0, Jigglypuff, Krabby, Riolu, Esper, Porygon. Ooh, a nice reverse Tangela, and a Venomoth regular rare. Alright then. Alrighty then. Oh, wait. I forgot 3 cards. There's a Marshadow and Marchomp. I mean, no, not Marchomp. This Machamp. Why did I say Marchomp? That's not a thing. Solid green. Huh, that's weird. How we only got 1 green and white code card, but at least from that one we got, the rainbow rare. Like, that is insane. Alright, so fighting type energy, triple acceleration energy, fairy charm ability, Tyrogue, Clefairy, Poliwag, Ekans, Drowsy, Pikachu, electromagnetic radar, and Miss Magus blah blah regular rare. Wow, we're already down to 6 packs, guys. This was quick. We're already like halfway done with our packs today. Alright then. Solid green. Again. No, 4 to the front, not 5. Alright, steel type energy. Cleffa, Happiny, Dust Island, Tangela, Oddish, Wooper, Cottony, Venonat. Ooh, that's a nice Raticate there. Raticate reverse. And a Poliwrath regular rare. Why do you cut to why do you just show the rainbow rare?
Yeah, so let's wrap on this one.
Oh yeah, it's what we got for the rainbow rare. Ooh, a white and green code card. Do you think we can get another one of these? Or maybe just a normal one of them? Like not rainbow rare? Who knows? I'm hoping for too much. Anyway, dark energy. Janine, Samson Oak, Raticate, Poliwag, Spritzy, Lickitung, Venonat, Spearow. Ooh, that's a nice reverse Hitmontop. And then, ooh, a Melmetal Hollow Rare. That is really cool. I like that card. That's good. It's very beautiful. And I'm dropping all my cards. Ah! Our last Charizard pack of this video, because we still have the other one. The solid green card code. Fire type energy. Wartortle, Gloom, Haunter, Cubone, Riolu, Porygon, Inkay, Caterpie. Ooh, a Vileplume reverse and a Perugly regular rare. Another solid green. We're getting a lot of solid green code cards today, guys. We've gotten 14 so far. Wait, no, we've gotten 12. Wow. Fairy type energy, energy spinner, Charge Bug, Chip Ice Axe, Meltan, Spearow, Lickitung, Litten, Krabby, nice reverse Tentacruel, and a Dugong regular rare. Right there. Cards are not cooperating. Ooh. a white and green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy, Power Plant, Laron, Green's Exploration, Sandile, Oddish, Zubat, Coughing, Doduo. Ooh, a nice Devolution Sprazy. Ooh, and a holo rare Snorlax with a Torchic and some Pikachus. That's really nice. I like that. And then our last one is a solid green app. Right. Grass Energy, Weepin' Bell, Surprise Box, Torracat, Bellsprout, Diglett, Poliwag, Rhyhorn, Growlithe, ooh, a nice reverse Ekans, and a Butterfree regular rare. Alright, guys. So we got so many cool cards today. Or, well, a few cool cards. Not a ton, but we got some pretty cool ones. So we have our Snorlax and Melmetal holo rares, which is amazing. And then we have our Sylveon and Gardevoir, or Gardevoir and Sylveon, GX Tag Team card. It's, oh yeah, Rainbow Rare. It's amazing. It's beautiful. So, yeah, guys, stay tuned for part 3. It'll come out sometime soon. So, like the video if you did enjoy and are excited for part 3. My name is Brian Arce. I hope you have an amazing day. It is 6 a.m. where I am. I'm so tired. But, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.